Weather Bulletin. For the following county, Washington, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County and southwestern Pennsylvania until 4:15 a.m. At 3:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Washington, or over Washington, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Washington, Gastonville, Mount Essen, California, Donora, Monongahela, Charleroi, Wolfdale, Bentleyville, East Washington, New Eagle, Wickerham Manor, Fisher. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 40. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 28 and 42. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
PBZ, just why did you have to wake me up at 3 freaking a.m. in the morning for an SVR?
Temperature around 70. South winds around 5 miles an hour. 42%. For today, partly sunny in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and